Hello everyone, myself Muskan. Today we are here to study about whole numbers. In this video we will cover natural number, predecessor, successor, whole number and properties of whole number. So what is natural number? Before moving toward the definition, I would like to ask you one question. How many chapatis do you eat in a day? You start counting by 1, 2, 3. Why we start our counting with 1, not with 0? So, here is the answer. Whenever we start counting by 1, 2, 3, which occurs naturally in nature. So, collection of these numbers are called natural number and it is denoted by capital N. What is predecessor? Pre means before. If we take any natural number and subtract 1 from it, the number which is obtained is called predecessor. What is successor? Successor means after. If we take any natural number and add 1 from it, the number which is obtained is called successor. For example, 3 plus 1 equals to 4. So 4 is a successor of 3. Let's do some questions. What is the successor of 4? 4 plus 1 equals to 5. So 5 is a successor of 1. What is a predecessor of 8? 8 minus 1 equals to 7. 7 is a predecessor of 8. What is a predecessor of 1? 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So 0 is the predecessor of 1. But 0 does not come under the natural number. So where 0 came from? 0 came from the whole number. So what are whole numbers? Whole numbers are the collection of natural number along with 0. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes on. Do you know all the natural numbers are whole number, but every whole number is not a natural number? Can you guess which whole number is not a natural number? Yes, 0 is not a natural number. Properties of whole number. Closure property. With closure property state that if we take any two whole number, their sum or product will also be an whole number. For example, if we take 3 and 5 as whole number, their sum, which is 8, is also an whole number. Their product, which is 15, is also an whole number. Then we have commutative property. Commutative properties state that if we rearrange or change the order of numbers, their sum or product does not get affected. For example, in case of addition, 2 plus 3 equals to 5 and 3 plus 2 is also 5. Similarly, in multiplication, 3 into 5 equals to 15 and 5 into 3 is also 15. Associative property. It states that if we arrange in numbers in different groups, their answer would not get affected in multiplication or in addition. For example, if we have three numbers, that is 2, 3 and 4. If we add 2, 3 first and then we add 4, we get 9. And if we, in second case, if we add 3 and 4 first and then add 2, then also we get 9. So their final result would not be affected. Then we have distribution of multiplication over addition. This property is applied when you multiply a value by sum, that is a into b plus c. Then you can expand and write it into a into b plus a into c. For example, if we have 2 into 4 plus 3, we can write it into 2 into 4 plus 2 into 3. 2 into 4, 8. 8 plus 6 equals to 40. This is a question. You have to comment down the answer in the form of true or false. Hope you have understood it. If you have any problem, comment down below. See you in the next part. Till then, bye.